Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because we are going to be going over the scent and warmer of the month for December 2023. You guys, where did this year go? I don't know, but it has gone for sure. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to go over the scent and warmers of the month. This month we actually have two. It's a mini warmer and a matching full-size warmer. Super excited. You might be thinking, Vickie, if it's for December, well then how come you have it? Well, I'm a consultant, so I can buy the kit so I can make samples. I'll get 8 bars of the scent. I'll get 50 flyers that I can send out and 72 rub and smell stickers. And I get 8 of the bars. So did I already say that? And I get the warmer. So this one is Meet Me at the Mistletoe. Now, I'm going to preface this with saying, if you follow me, you know I'm not a tree scent person. But it doesn't say pine. It says mistletoe. So I may like this one. So let's see. And I also like it when it's mixed with other things. So let's go ahead and give her a sniff. First of all, Meet Me at the Mistletoe. All right. That's pretty. Okay. So I would say that this has a fresh, clean something or other in it. It also has a sweetness to it. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I actually like this one and I may warm this on Christmas, which is very rare for me. I usually don't like any sort of tree scents, but we are going to see what Scentsy says it smells like. All right. Meet Me at the Mistletoe. Meet at the Mistletoe. Look at me, I'm a mess. Anyway, Meet at the Mistletoe. Serene mistletoe and subtle cherry, that's the sweet, rendezvous amid the coolness of a refreshing forest. So I was right. It's in the fresh category, which I got from the smell. Usually something like this would be more in the woods category, but I actually really like this. The top note is mistletoe. The mid note is refreshing forest, whatever that is. And the base note is cherry. Cherry. Who knew? That is the sweet thing that I like in it. Okay, so I actually really like this scent. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the two warmers. It's actually a full size and a mini this month. You can get either or. You don't have to buy both, but you can. Of Frosted Night. Frosted Night. So I'm going to unbox the mini warmer first. So let's do that. Okay, it's pretty gorgeous. All right, so that is super pretty when it's not on. It's actually, this part is darker in person. I am using a filter. It's not quite black, but more of like a charcoal color. This looks gray. It's more of a charcoal, but you see why they call it frosted. Frosted Night. So it has these like little, it looks like frost, like when your windows have frost on it. You also get your light bulb and you get the piece to plug it in. The cool thing about our mini warmers is the outlet part. If you have a vertical or a horizontal outlet, you can use this. With this button right here, you can turn it. That way it'll fit either one, okay? And this is how you turn it on and off. You put the bulb in here. And then you do this. Hold on, let's do it this way. This is always easier. And voila, But I'm going to show you another thing that you can use, which I'm going to do now. It is a tabletop warmer, tabletop base for your warmer. If you buy a glass warmer, you need the glass base. If you buy a ceramic, then you need the one for ceramic. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on here so you can actually see what it looks like lit up. And let me go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Look at the beautiful scene on there. Ah, it's so pretty. It is so, so pretty. I absolutely love this. It's going to go, I'm not sure where I'm going to put this one. I may still put it in my bathroom, but the full size is going in my bathroom for sure. But this is pretty stunning. I might even put it over here. I don't know, but it's really pretty. Now, this is not available till December 1st, the scent and the warmer. If you would like a sample of the scent, let me know and I'll get that out to you. But yeah, this is amazing. So let me go ahead and turn this one off. Super pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and unbox the full-size Frosted Night Warmer. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the full-size warmer. It's absolutely stunning. In person, you could see that it's darker here. On here, it just looks like light gray, but in person, it's like a charcoal, and it is stunning. You can see why it's called Frosted Night. Looks like frost. So I went ahead and I put the bulb inside, and we are ready to rock. So let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Wow. I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. I am so here for it. You guys, again, December 1st available. These winter scene warmers, I absolutely love. I always buy them when they come out. Reason being, once Christmas is over, I put the Christmassy ones away, but I leave these out because they're just winter. It's just a winter warmer. So you can leave this up all winter long, and it is so pretty. It's so stunning. And if you've never used a wax warmer before, we're gonna get your life together. These are so much safer than anything with a flame. We all love the look of a candle, but a candle can, you know, just decimate your house. So what you do is this one, it says the optimum number is 4 cubes. I go with 3. 4 is a lot. You don't need 4. So what I do is you open this up and you see how it's already cubed. Okay. You break off the amount that you want and you just put it in there. And there you go. And this is so stunning. You guys, it's going to go in my bathroom and it's going to be so pretty. I absolutely love this. I'm going to have to do another video tomorrow with this in my bathroom. But it is so stunning. I love it. So I'm going to be doing a pre-order because these are usually very popular, the winter warmers. And let me know if you're interested. And once I get that together, I will go ahead and send you the link to my pre-order form so that you don't miss out. Absolutely just stunning. So pretty. So, so pretty. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.